Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, can ants eat margarine? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants will not eat margarine because it is not sweet due to the absence of sugar and seems less appetizing. It contains a high content of salt, additives, artificial flavors, and other emulsifiers that are not desirable to eat. It does produce active odor like butter that can attract insects, so they turn around even after reaching it. Its chemical composition is different from natural butter as it contains unsaturated fats, and the hydrogenation of vegetable oils involves the use of chemicals. Margarine has a smooth texture and pale yellow color like butter, and it is soft enough to be chewed by its tiny teeth, but still these insects are not attracted to it. Ants usually eat natural food sources and avoid products like artificial sweeteners and margarine because these contain a lot of harmful chemicals. Ants prefer not to add salt to their regular diet because these insects need sugar-rich food to meet their energy requirements. Salt contains no calories and provides no healthy nutrients to them. Accordingly, they choose sugary food and reject those having high amounts of salt when they have an equal opportunity to choose any of these or both options. It contains high salt content, as only 1 tablespoon of these artificial butter contains more than 100 milligrams of sodium, so it is obvious for these insects to turn their heads opposite to margarine. The primary reason for rejecting this refined food is to avoid salt consumption because excessive salt consumption can cause dehydration in insects. It is produced from hydrogenated vegetable oils in which a variety of additives or flavors are added to improve its taste and color. It resembles butter because manufacturers add a yellow color and some flavors to ensure that it mimics butter, which is a natural and nutritious than margarine. Moreover, some colorants, stabilizers, preservatives, and emulsifiers are present in a stick of margarine, which is usually not present in an organic product. Most probably, it can be an alternative to butter for you due to its cost effectiveness, but this highly processed food cannot be their choice. Ants can guide you to make a healthier choice and choose butter instead of margarine because it has little or no nutritional value. It is not appetizing for insects due to its bland taste. Some greasy ants can get attracted to a stick of margarine on the countertop that is not covered because they look for a source of fats and oils, but do not eat it. It does not smell good enough to entice its odor receptors, and these insects only choose food with a pleasant odor and taste to eat. Its rancid odor disappears over time due to hydrogenation. Moreover, the addition of yellow color to white colored hydrogenated margarine cannot make it tempting and mouth-watering for ants due to the absence of an appealing odor. It is usually a salty food with no sugar, which can be a reason for ants to reject it as a source of nutrition. It is a good source of unsaturated fats or trans fats that are not healthy for insects. This blend of oils can be healthy for human heart health, but it cannot provide any noticeable advantage to these tiny creatures. In addition, they need sugar-rich food to meet their daily energy requirements, as they can quickly convert carbohydrates to ATP when cells metabolize the nutrients. Moreover, it does not contain healthy vitamins and carbohydrates including sugar or dietary fibers. That's why it is not the preferred food for insects. Ants usually have a sweet tooth and prefer sugary foods that can provide plenty of energy to tiny insects. They get attracted to salty food sometimes to balance the sugar level in the body. Most commonly, they prefer sweet food over salty food items because their bodies need energy from glucose, fructose, and other forms of sugar. You can see them ignoring this refined food type even if there is no other food option. It happens because it can badly affect their health as excessive salt in it can make them die shortly. I kept a piece of margarine and butter in one plate and left it on the countertop to check the response of these tiny insects. It was amazing to see that all of these insects get attracted to the stick of butter and ignored the margarine. They turned their heads opposite the salty or processed food and changed their way. In the same way, I removed the butter from the plate to see whether it came towards margarine or not, and if there was no other better choice for food. The results were surprising as none of these insects still choose this processed food because it is less appetizing and nutritious for them. Thanks for watching the video.